Hello, we are down here in our triple span at Burncoose, and I'm just going to show you briefly our new range of azaleas, rhodos and scented rhodos. These are 2 to 3 year old plants, and they've just been freshly potted up and barked, ready to be sold in the next couple of months. So they still need a bit of time to root through, but they're just looking so good at the minute. They're all putting new growth on. And yeah, hopefully in the next couple of months they'll all be for sale on our website and in the shop. So we're starting to grow and sell more of the scented rhodos. These are great down here in the southwest, and they're just amazing plants. They produce large amounts of flowers, and just have the most incredible scent. The only thing to note is they are quite tender, so some people do like to bring them in the winter, especially if you're up north. They will have to be kept a bit more, looked after a little bit more. But yeah, they're just looking amazing. The new growth is coming along lovely, and we're really hoping that the more we grow, and these are all grown from our own stock plants here in Cornwall, so from Burncoose and Cressy we collect cuttings, and then yeah, they produce these amazing plants after a couple of years. So yeah, as you can see if we come down here, we'll see Princess Alice, which is actually coming into flower right now. And that's a lovely scented one, and that's great because it doesn't grow too big, and it's just a wonderful plant to have. That's another thing to note, they are amazing scented rhodos because they don't grow too big, so they're better for smaller gardens. And yeah, yes, that's our full range.